Dude, I'll give you $100 and I'll take you out to Benny Hannes and slide that 75-foot handrail.
I'm all out of hope. One more bad break could bring a fall.